This is going to be a video tutorial on how to add a custom watermark in Microsoft Word. I will be using Microsoft 365 on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Word here. I have Microsoft Word opened up now. To add a custom watermark to your document, you want to go up to the top up here, up to the Design tab. You want to click on Design. Then on the ribbon, you want to go off to the far right, down to the Page Background section, and in the Page Background section right here is Watermark. I'm going to click on the drop down right underneath Watermark. I can choose one of these if I would like, one of these pre-made watermarks. I could scroll down, I could click on More Watermarks from Office.com. Down below that is a custom watermark, and down below that is to remove a watermark. If you ever wanted to remove the watermark, you just follow these same steps and you would click on Remove Watermark. I'm going to click on Custom Watermark. A little dialog box will pop open, and you want to toggle on the second one here, Custom Watermark. Then you'll click on Select Picture. I have an image on my computer that I want to use. I'm going to click on From a File. Little dialog box will pop open here, and I will select my image. I'm going to select this one right here. I'm going to go down to the bottom and click on Insert. Then I'm going to click on Apply. And then I'll click on Close. And there is my watermark. Now, if you want to adjust your watermark, you just go up to the header area, double left click in the header area. Now I can move my image around. I can place it wherever I want. As you can see, it now has some little dots around it. I can make my watermark bigger or smaller, move it around. And now to get out of the header area, you want to hit the Escape key twice. That is how to add a custom image watermark in Word. Thanks for watching.